Next step, you need to prepare your slurry mixture. We recommend adding water to Syngenta seed treatment products to improve coverage on the seeds. Please follow the below guidelines. Start by adding 2/3 of the water into a clean jar. Then agitate your Syngenta product bottle for about 10 seconds and only after add it to the water jar. Use the remaining 1/3 water to rinse product left over in the bottle. Agitate the mixture with a stick for about 30 seconds or until the slurry looks homogeneous. Next, you will need to place your plastic bag onto a flat surface. Carefully open the bag and start pouring the slurry inside. Spread the liquid only to the bottom part of the bag by covering about 2/3 of its length. Now it's really important to spread the slurry in the bag surface to improve initial contact between the seed treatment products and the seeds. Then open the bag and add the seeds inside. Allow air to fill in the bag, then close it, forming a balloon shape. Hold the bag and use your fingers to secure it, and then start shaking and rolling the bag vigorously for 30 seconds to 2 minutes, or until you notice the bag surface is clean. Use the fingers to press the bag corners like this. It will guarantee product is not lost on that area. Remember, the right sequence is always to add the chemical into the plastic bag first, then spread it well in the bag surface, and only then add the seeds in the bag. Treated seeds should look well coated and with an even chemical distribution. Consider adding more water to improve seed coverage if needed, depending on your seed size.